Audio Jungle.
For the first time in more than a decade, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R will be built in Japan. The three previous generations of the Track Focus hatch were built at the company's UK manufacturing site, which went offline last summer. That makes the FL5 generation the first global market Type R to come out of its own country. As automated as some automotive facilities are today, low-volume models like the Type R are still treated to a bit of extra care on the line. As the Drive first reported, this is the main reason why Type R production was moved back to Japan as opposed to one of the higher volume facilities here in the United States. That said, there are still plenty of areas where machines are better suited for the job, including applying the bonding agents used to connect chassis components. Once the bare chassis is finished, the line moves down into the paint shop. Here we watch as mechanical arms swing around the Type RS, applying an even coat of white primer. That is quickly covered by a proper coat of paint, and another team of employees is ready to inspect the final product. From there, the cars are taken up a giant elevator to move on to the general assembly area. This is where we get to see some more hands-on work, including bumper construction and the mating of the engines and gearboxes. The Type R is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, which provides 315 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. That engine comes exclusively mated to a 6-speed manual, just as any hot hatch should. It's here where everything from subframes to the larger rear spoiler are installed, as the Type R slowly takes shape. The Honda brand is synonymous with high-quality cars, and this little factory teaser makes it easy to understand why. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.